Welcome back to Generate.net, your home for AI tools. In this short video, I'm going to be explaining something that's unconventional to AI. But really, everyone who uses AI is trying to make money and trying to save money. But for 36 years, I haven't been able to save anything. And I discovered the reason for that, and I'm going to share it with you in this video. For 30 years, I've been building online businesses and AI tools and multiple different types of things to try and make money. And there was one thing that if I would have known a long time ago, I would have been able to amass a fortune. Saving money is not what you think. A lot of the videos and data online talks about saving some of your earnings or putting some money aside in order to save money. There are people that save the change on what they spend. There are so many ways explained online to save money. But I found that none of these really work. In fact, when I tried some of these, I found myself eating into my savings when an emergency happened. And so the reason why I made this video and why I think it's important you hear this is because if you've been trying to save money for a long time and you haven't been able to save money, what I'm about to say might change your future. So recently, I've built my new platform, which is Generate.net. It's an AI tools platform, which has basically every type of AI tool you could think of. And I realized that over time, I've been focusing on only one income stream. And having one income stream meant and trying to build it and build it and build it and build it. And what happens is, if you only have one place you're making money from, what actually ends up happening is that at some point, the money starts to kind of horizontal, it stops growing, and then what happens is you're living off your profits. And you can never actually save money. And I found that the only way to save money is to have multiple income streams, where one of your income streams is what you live off, and another income stream is something you actually never use or never need to use. The idea is to have 1, 2, or more income streams, where one of them you're living off and one of them you literally do not touch. And all the income and all the profits from the second income stream become a savings account, which basically means you save every single dollar that comes in from that account. Now, this is probably never been said before online, like I've never heard it, and I've learned and listened to a lot of people that explain how to make money online, and I've never heard anyone just say it very simply. The way to save money is to make more money, but it can't just be through one channel. If you make money through one channel, let's say you're writing books on Amazon and that's all you do, and let's say you make $1,000 or $2,000 a month, and let's say you end up making $3,000 a month, that's great, but you'll realize your lifestyle goes up and up and up as you increase the amount of money you make. But once you diversify into another form of income, let's say you start, I don't know, programming, or I just can't think of a good idea right now. You start a second business, let's say car washing, and then all the money you make from that second business you just put aside, meaning you treat it as if it's money that's just nothing, not to be used. What happens is you create a savings account from an entirely new business. Now, if you apply what I'm saying, I guarantee you will save up to $100,000 or $200,000 a year. And the reason why that will happen is because every single dollar and cent that you make from that business becomes savings, which is unheard of. The financial advisors tell you to save 10% of your money or 20% of your income or profit. I'm telling you to save 100% of your income from one of your business. If you like this advice and if you think you're going to try it, give me a like and also tell me the result of this experiment in your comments. The reason why I'm telling you is because it's working for me, and I want to share it with all of my followers. So follow me so you can get some more tips, AI news, AI tools, and some financial advice just thrown in there. Bye for now, and thank you for watching. My name was Daniel, and I was your host. Bye for now.